Hello, welcome. Let's get straight into the video. Today I'm gonna explain you how to code up, how to check whether the given input is a prime number or not in C programming language. The video will be divided into two parts. I'll first explain you the logic and then I'll show you how to code it. So I'll give the timestamps below. So first the logic. We all know what a prime number is. For example, 7. Why is 7 a prime number? Because the only divisors it has is 1 and the number itself, which is 7. Why isn't 12 a prime number? Because its divisors are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. So basically what I'm trying to say is all the prime numbers have only true divisors. Like 17 has 1 and 17. So what I think is we are gonna run a loop from 1 to the given number by 2. By 2, why not till n? Because like 12 by 2, it's 6. So any number above 6, like 7 or 8 or 9, they are not the divisors of 12. So we don't need to loop it again. We are basically saving the space complexity. Okay, so this is the logic. Now let's start coding. You can download Visual Studio Code in the link in the description below, if you haven't already done it. Let's see. First we are gonna take input from the user. Let's take n scanf centi ampersand n. Okay, never forget the semicolons. So I told you we're gonna run a loop from 1 to the number by 2 for int I equals 1, I is less than equal to n by 2, I plus plus. I'm hoping you guys know what I plus plus is. I plus plus is basically increment of 1 each time the loop runs. Like first time it's I is equal to 1, then I becomes equal to 2. So if I number modulus I equal to 0. So what is modulus symbol? Modulus is basically the remainder. For example, 12 divided by 6 is 2 and the remainder is 0. If we take 7 divided by 2, answer will be 2.23 is 6, 3.5. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say is the remainder will be 1. We are not taking the decimal numbers. The remainder will be 1 when you divide 7 and 2. Okay, so if this is true, if this condition is true, we're gonna add a variable name count, which is gonna count the number of times I divides n. Count plus equals 1. We are gonna declare the variable count equals 1. Why am I taking count equals 1? Because we are running the loop from 1 to n by 2, but n is already a divisor of itself, right? So just to save the space complexity, we are not gonna run the loop till n. So we are just gonna add a 1 over here. Okay, so this is the main part of the logic. Now if other condition, if count equals to 2, printf it's prime. So count equals 2, meaning it only has 2 divisors. As I told you before, the prime number has only 2 divisors, the 1 and the number itself. Else printf not prime. Basically composite. By the way, you can also add many conditions, like if the input is negative, please enter a valid input. You can use else if statements, or you can also put another condition if the input is 1. As we all know, 1 is neither prime nor composite. You can add that condition too, but let's keep the code simple. It's my okay. Let's run this up. Let's save it first. Control S. 7. It's prime. 17. Still prime. Yep. Now let's take a composite number. 8 and 12. Not prime. Okay, this code does work. So if you guys have any doubts, you can share it in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. Okay, thank you all.